Topic Helping Verbs, Class 5, Subject English, Chapter The Wise Judgment, Duration 3 to 5 minutes. Objectives. By the end of this video, the teachers will be able to understand what are helping verbs and their functions, to prepare suitable and interesting activities for the students, and to help the students use helping verbs to be, to do, and to have. We will look at the keywords. From A, we'll find am and are. B, be plus being, been. C, can, could. With D, do, does, did. With H, has, have, had. And with I, it is. And M, may, might, must. With S, it is shall and should. And with W, it's will, would, was, and were. These are the helping verbs which we use in our day-to-day communication. Now let us see what are helping verbs. Helping verbs usually help the main verb to describe the action, whether that action happened in the past or is happening in the present or will happen in the future. Now let's look at this example. I was in Vijayawada yesterday. It talks about past. I am in Visakhapatnam now. It talks about present. I will be in Kurnool next week. It talks about future. And I have so much work. So this is how we use the helping verbs to talk about the position. Now let us see the helping verbs and functions. The first important function is to frame questions and question tags. We use helping verbs like, do you play games daily or are you in the market? The question tags, she's so beautiful, isn't she? And now to form negatives also, we use he's not at home. I don't play games daily. To give short responses like, do you like sweets? Then we say, yes, I do. No, I don't. Now, let's take one example. Like with to be, we use I am, he is, we are in present. And in past, we use was and were. Now, let us see. I am happy. I'm not busy to from negative. And she is a singer to tell who she is. And he was in park yesterday. It talks about past. And we are friends. They were in ground. Now we'll see with to have. We use we have. He or she has and had. Now let us see. We use have with I, we, you, they. Like I have a bicycle. We have gifts. And we use has with she, Ravi, Raja, has. And we use had to describe about past for all the subjects. Like I had 1,000 rupees yesterday. She had an urgent work. Now let's take another example with do. And we use this to frame simple present. Do you play daily? And yes, I do or no, I don't. With does, we use does she go or does he go to market? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. With did, we use for simple past. Did you eat biryani yesterday? Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't. So let's practice. Complete the following sentences with is, am, or are, was, or were. And now I dash a student. Teja dash busy at work yesterday. The monkeys dash on a tree now. Where dash you last week? And the boy dash going to school. And now if you look at the first one, I am a student. And the second one, it was yesterday. So Teja was busy at work yesterday. And there are monkeys, it's plural. So the monkeys are on a tree now. And it's last week. So where were you last week? And what is the boy doing now? The boy is going to school. Summary. By the end of this video, I think that the teachers understood what are helping verbs and their functions. And the teachers are able to prepare suitable and interesting activities for their students. And the teachers learn to use helping verbs in framing questions, in making negatives, and in short responses.